Hey guys, what's up? This morning we had a 4th gen Dodge come in from a friend of ours. His name's Jaron. He's a Chinook helicopter pilot. He brought that in so we could put these traction bars on that he bought from another company. Their name escapes me now, but I'll tag them here. They're a company from Springfield, Oregon that makes, they're a small fabricating company like us, and they make track bar kits and other things for those 4th gen Rams. So we put that on there. We got that track bar kit installed for him. He was super happy about it, so he went back home to Tacoma. And then we went to lunch, and then we got back to the shop now, and we're ready to go ahead and we got the coilover mounts pretty much designed up. We want to add a couple pieces to them, and Rick's, I think it's Aquarius. It's a little symbol for Aquarius. He wants us to put that on his coilover towers for him. We did charge him for doing all the custom shapes and stuff to his lift kit, so that's why we're doing those kind of things to it for him. So we'll get those put on the side of the coilover mounts, coilover towers, and then we'll get those plasma cut out, and then we'll tack kind of that piece together, and then we'll cut out the inner pieces to it that actually will hold the coilover bolt itself. So yeah, let's get started, guys. guys, that was a pretty productive afternoon. We got the Cougar House Fab coilover or driver's side tower, pretty much the whole thing cut out. We got the side pieces cut out, we got the back pieces cut to it, and then on Monday, it's Friday, we'll cut out the front beauty piece to it that will either have the reservoir mount to the resi to the coilover, will sit on it there, or we'll make it sit back along the frame rail. We're not sure yet. We'll see whichever looks better once we get them mocked up in there. But on Monday we'll cut out that front beauty piece to it, and then we'll get it all cleaned up and prepped to weld, and we'll fully weld that, put it on the frame, mount the coilover, and then we'll move on to the passenger side, and we'll design up its coilover mount, because it's, you know, the passenger side and driver side of the frame on this 1500 are different. So that's why on the passenger side it's going to get its own uniquely shaped coilover tower for that side to match the frame rail. So we'll design up that piece on Monday after we fully weld the driver side one together and tack it on the frame. We'll tack them on before we fully actually weld them. We'll get it all on there and how we want it. Then we'll fully weld the coilover towers on and the actual lower coilover mounts on the 05 Super Duty axle. So until then, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for your constant support as always. Remember to hit the bell up there to you guys that have already subscribed, so that way every time I upload you guys can know, hey, a new live episode of Cougar House Garage is up. And if you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along with all the builds there. And then if you guys are interested in a Cougar House Fab 4-link kit for your Ford, Dodge, or Chevy, just direct message us and we can get you guys set up with one. So thanks for watching today, guys. We'll catch you tomorrow on Monday.